Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can add a new admin user and other roles to your WordPress website. First thing, you have to log into the WordPress admin area, your WordPress dashboard. After that, go to users, go to add new user. Now you have to fill all these details. The username and email should be different for every user. You cannot reuse the same details. First name, last name and website fields are completely optional. So if you want, you can fill them, but it is not required. To create a password, either you can create your own password or you can use this generate password option to create a very random and strong password. I would suggest you to copy this username and password in a notepad and save it. Then keep this option selected. So when you will create the account, the new user will get an email with the details of username and password. Next, you have to select a role, which is very important. Make sure you select administrator. If you want the user to have access to all settings on your website, then click on add new user. And that's it. Your new user account has been created. Now let's test this account. Use the credential of the new account we have created. Click on login and you can see it's working. Now if we go to user and all user, you can see this is our new user account and this is the old account, and this new administrator has access to delete our old administrator account. So please be careful when you create a new admin account. They can also delete your account. Now I will quickly explain other user roles. Let's click on add new user. Then here you have to fill the same details to create another account. Important thing is this role. If you select editor, they will have access to your pages and post settings. They can edit, publish new post and delete post, but they will not have access to other WordPress website settings or theme files. An author will only have access to create new post and edit their own post. They cannot edit other author posts, and contributor will also have same level of access as an author. They can only submit a post. It can be only published after reviewed by a editor or administrator.